Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be discussing about project management. So this is the major topics that we will be discussing later on. So we have the project management, project phases, keys to success in reasons IT project fails, project selection, project metrics, and project software. So this is just the major topics. Yung iba dyan is may mga subtopics pa that will be explained later on. So let's start with the introduction. So project management consists of the process of defining, performing, and monitoring specific work bounded by a timeline, a defined scope, and goals. So the project management, this is the application of skills, methods, knowledge, processes, and experience para ma-achieve yung objective ng specific project within the criteria sa specified na time. That means that the team has a budget to work with. So ayun, project management, this just involves planning and organizing the company's resources to do a specific project towards completion. So organizations often define, authorize, fund, and monitor projects because they are part of the strategic plan. So, pinopondohan, ino-authorize at minomonitor yung mga projects dahil this is a part of a strategic plan ng organization for the betterment of their company or organization. If successful, this has great improvement sa organization like new products or services or a new building, etc. Since that's significant, so is the budget. That means na yung organization could maglalaan sila ng big budget to fund the work at magkakaroon ng opportunity cost if ever na hindi maging successful yung project. Internal auditors can add value to their organizations by helping management set the requirements for project planning, execution, and monitoring. So, hindi lang project managers ang makakatulong to complete the project successfully, pati internal auditors din. They can help by, they can help by helping plan during the execution and also sa pag-monitor. So with their help, they can avoid problems and errors that will uh, they can avoid problems and errors, and this will increase the likelihood of the project to be successful. So next is project management. So, I already explained project management kanina. So, let me just repeat it. Sabi ko, is project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirement. So, there are two characteristics of a project, and that is unique and temporary. Let's now first go to the characteristics of unique. Projects are unique because they produce unique outcomes, ranging from highways, buildings, weapons, and computer systems, machines, new products, and the like. Ayan, sinasabi dyan na unique yung mga projects dahil meron silang iba't ibang outcome. But there is a lot of possible context kasi when we say na unique yung every projects. It could mean sa outcome, or unique sa staffing, or sa process. So, a project is unique kasi the project has a specific set of operations designed para ma-accomplish yung isang project. Always keep in mind that projects are not a routine operation. Instead, they are trying to accomplish a single project. Yun, isang project lang talaga. So, since that's the case, every new project has different stakeholders, different staff, also different process. Uh, so, ayun. So that means that these people they don't usually work with each other. So this can be a learning experience then if you are in a project management organization. So the next characteristic is temporary. So the temporary characteristics is in contrast with business as usual, where activities are recurring in an indefinite cycle. That means that project has um, finite start and also a finite end time. Between those time, doon nangyayari na yung mga meetings, discussions, para maging matapos tong project na to successfully. So, the start is when the project is initiated at na-develop na yung concept. Yung end naman is when na-meet na yung objective and pwede din namang hindi siya na-meet. Like, for example, nag-fail yung project. If gano'n naman yung nangyari, then the project will be terminated. So, that is the characteristics, unique, and temporary. Let's now go to project phases. So, project phases have 5 phases, and that is the initiation, planning, executing, closing, and monitoring, and control. But we have to keep in mind that the closing and monitoring ng projects ay hindi lang siya nangyayari sa dulo. It is nasa fifth phase siya, but that doesn't mean nahuli siya palagi. Kasi yung monitoring and controlling, this can be applied with every other phases. So, syempre, pag nagpaplano, you have to monitor and also do controls, pati sa closing. Ayun. So, ito naman this is naman yung project phases naman to na mga internal auditors. Diba sabi ko nga kanina, I mentioned na internal auditors can help project managers para mas mag-increase pa yung success rate ng project na ginagawa nila. So, they have the planning, fieldwork, reporting, and also na-apply din nila yung kaninang 5 projects phases. Yung initiation, planning, executing, closing, monitoring, and controlling. So, ayun. With the help ng internal auditors, mas tumataas pa yung likelihood na magiging successful yung project pag ginamit nila itong mga different project phases nila. So, ayun lang naman. So, ayun, in general, ulitin ko lang, yung project management. So, this is the project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements within established time, budget, and also quality goals. So, with the help of these phases, mas tataas pa yung odds na maging successful to project na to. Yun lang. That is all. Thank you.